stomach. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, man. Ooh, whoa. Whew. Oh, thank goodness I was just a dud. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it wasn't. Oh, it smells like burnt underwear. Oh, nasty. Oh, oh, oh. What the heck is that? Another rip? Oh, man. Whoa! Oh, man. I wasn't a dud this time. I have to be more careful. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Almost burnt the house down this time. Oh, my gosh. What am I going to do? I better go get the supplies to repair it again.